All right, guys, so right now we're gonna head down to Mount Dora, take a little stroll. I wanna take you guys with me. It's a pretty nice place. I don't know if you guys ever been down here. It's in Florida, but a lot to see and some nature. It's always important to get into nature, so here we go. Yeah, I would say it's time for a new car. Not bad for a 14-year-old car. One of my favorite spots to come to in the morning, Lake Dora. Pretty nice. You can hear all the birds, gators and stuff. Haven't seen it this morning. Now, some of you don't know, this place is in Florida, in Mount Dora, and it's one of my favorite places to come. I grew up around this area, so it means a lot to me. I just feel like a dinosaur is gonna pop out any minute. Any second. So yeah, I think it's important for the human psyche and the mind to get out in nature and be one with nature and experience nature, all the colors and all the smells that it provides. It's very therapeutic, and I think everyone needs to get outside more, disconnect from the technology, and yeah, get outside more. Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and I will see you guys soon.